Hello everyone, it's Lou, and for today's video, I'm gonna share with you my knowledge about clean beauty. And I know baka meron sa inyo wala pang idea about clean beauty, meron kayong tanong, meron kayong iniisip na baka mahal, baka hindi accessible and all. So I am here to explain to you kung ano ang clean beauty and magdi-debunk din tayo ng ibang myths regarding clean beauty. So clean beauty are beauty products that uses ingredients that are both good for you and for the environment. If you're gonna search the internet, marami pa kayong makikitang meaning niya, but it boils down talaga sa clean ingredients, kaya siya tinawag na clean beauty. So ano nga ba ang benefits kapag gumamit ka ng clean beauty products? Number 1, clean beauty products are free from toxic chemicals. I'm gonna give you guys some examples ng mga harsh chemicals that can be found sa ating mga beauty products. Number 1, we have hydroquinone. This ingredient is used for skin lightening, but this may also cause skin discoloration. Number 2, we have O-phenylphenol. This ingredient is used as a preservative or as a fragrance sa beauty products natin, but this may cause skin irritation and respiratory problems. Kasi fragrance, kapag na-inhale mo yon tapos medyo matapang or hindi maganda yung amoy, masyadong chemically, pwedeng makapag-cause yun ng respiratory problem. Third one, we have quaternium 15, which is used as antibacterial and preservative, but this may cause skin allergy. Next one, we have borates, which is used as an emulsifier and also a preservative, but this may cause skin irritation and hormone disruption. Number 5, which is very common to us, microplastics. Yes, merong mga beauty products na nagko-contain ng microplastics. This can be used as an exfoliator sa face, but alam naman natin lahat kung ano yung effect ng microplastics, di ba? Nakaka-affect siya sa marine life. Next, we have methylene glycol, which is also used as a preservative, but this may be a carcinogen. Carcinogen, ito yung ingredient na kapag nasobrahan ka ng exposure sa carcinogen, this can cause cancer. And actually, a few years ago, na-open yung topic about carcinogen. Next one, we have chloroacetamide, which is used as an antibacterial and preservative, but may cause skin allergies. Next, we have triclosan, which is also a preservative and an antibacterial ingredient, but this may cause hormone disruption. Same as triclocarbon, which does the same thing, preservative and antibacterial, but may cause hormonal disruptions. Last one, we have phthalates. I'm not sure kung ano yung pronunciation niya, but this is a fragrance. Fragrance that may be included sa ingredients ng mga beauty products mo, but this may also cause hormonal disruption. So now you know about those ingredients. I know you get where I'm going dito sa video na to. I think you can see the big picture about clean beauty. So number 2 benefits ay less skin irritation. Since wala ngang harsh chemicals, it will be safer for your skin. Number 3, syempre, environment-friendly ingredients. Sino bang ayaw ng environment-friendly ingredients? Number 4, yung kanina ko pa sinasabi, using clean beauty products is both good for you and good for the environment. So there are a lot of myths about clean beauty. Kahit ako, nung first ko siyang narinig, parang mahal siya, alam mo yon. Kasi nakanood na ako ng mga skincare videos, mga clean beauty skincare videos ng mga international YouTubers at nakita ko yung mga brands doon, wala yun sa atin dito. Like, hindi mo siya ma-access locally and then parang ang mahal nila pakinggan, you know? So first one is that clean beauty products are too expensive. So if you're looking, if you can see ang aking mga beauty products sa likod, ito yung mga example ng mga clean beauty. Mamaya iisa-isahin ko yan sa inyo. Pero as you can see, ito yung mga products na available ang drugstore. At karamihan ng mga products sa drugstore ay affordable at mura, di ba? Number 2 myth is that clean beauty products may be less effective compared doon sa mga products na merong mga harsh ingredients. Kasi nabuhay tayo ng matagal dito sa mundong ito na merong mga ingredients na ganon sa beauty products natin. And I feel like napanatag na tayo na effective yung products. And tayo kasi, hindi tayo masyadong nakafocus sa ingredients. Doon lang tayo sa effectivity ng products, diba? So, kung effective yung product sa'yo, chems na about sa ingredients. So, iisipin mo na kapag nagbawas sila ng ingredient doon sa ingredients list, baka hindi na siya as effective. But no, it is as effective as it is before. Sadyang tinanggalan yung mga ingredients na harsh sa skin mo. At itong mga products na to sa likod ko, ito yung patunay na effective pa rin yung mga skincare products natin kahit wala yung harsh ingredients. That we can live, we can use the products, it is as effective kahit walang harsh ingredients. Third myth is that clean beauty products are not easily accessible. Yung hindi siya convenient kunin because clean beauty parang nasa kabilang aisle siya ng makeup section or baka sa iba siya bibilhin. But no, I'm actually very happy that Watsons launched this section sa kanilang app and sa website yung Watsons Clean Beauty. Kasi before pa ako ma-introduce dito sa Clean Beauty platform ng Watsons, naghahanap na talaga ako at plano ko na talagang gumamit ng mga beauty products na clean beauty. Kaso nga, ayun nga iniisip ko yung sa mga myths na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kahit ako, ganun yung iniisip ko. Kaya nga ini-explain ko sila sa inyo ngayon na hindi totoo yung mga yon. It is very convenient lang guys. Punta kayo sa Watsons if you can. If it's important, kung meron kayong lakad, tapos napadaan kayo sa Watsons, go. Punta na kayong Watsons. But this is also available sa app and sa website nila. So you don't have to go out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to go dun sa Clean Beauty section. So just open your Watsons app and then under your product finder section, makita nyo dun yung sustainability. Yung merong sustainable choices na logo. So just click that button and it will lead you to this page and you will click Clean Beauty. So dyan, nakakategorize na yung clean skincare, clean hair care, clean cosmetics, and clean personal care. So this is super nice. Sa totoo lang, sobrang natuwa ako na meron ng ganito para hindi na tayo mahihirapan kumuha ng mga clean beauty products. And I encourage you guys to do the same and to switch to clean beauty products and to be aware of the ingredients na kasama sa skincare products ninyo. Because these ingredients may save your skin from irritation and it will also save the Mother Earth. And it is environmentally friendly and all. So, iisa-isahin ko na sa inyo guys yung mga products na pwede nyo makita sa Watsons Clean Beauty app. First one, we have Biotin. So, this is the Biotin Skin Moisture Micellar Water. 96% ingredients of natural origin. Meron din itong prebiotics and this is 100% natural and sustainable saffron. Next, we have Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. So, Aveeno Active Naturals are ingredients derived from nature and uniquely formulated to reveal skin's natural health and beauty. Next, one of the products that I super loved before and then I stopped using them and then now I'm using it again because they are now cruelty-free. So, we have Garnier right here. So, actually, umorder ako online nitong Super UV because I super love this sunscreen. Nag-order ako ulit. And then, pagdating niya sa akin, nakabalot siya sa honeycomb wrap. Yung alternative sa bubble wrap, and then naka-carton siya, and then nakalagay siya sa cassava plastic bag. Yung cassava bag na pag nilagyan mo ng mainit na tubig, natutunaw. Sis! That is the best packaging na na-receive ko sa mga in-order ko online. So, next one, ito actually ginagamit ko na siya. This is the Lip Pure Lip Balm. Meron itong food-grade ingredients and 3 honey extract. This has no preservative, no fragrance, and no colorants. And it also has 6 botanical oils. So, this is as pure, as clean as your lip balm gets. And it's super moisturizing. At yung lasa niya parang almost honey. Alam niyo yun, na may kasama siyang beeswax and all. Pero lasa siyang honey. Next, we have this Nani Rose Honey Wax. So, this is made from all natural ingredients, guys. Ayan, meron siyang wax. So, meron tayong popsicles and meron tayong mga tela dito that you can use and reuse. Lalaban mo lang siya para mawala yung wax. So, this is very sustainable kasi all natural ingredients yung honey wax and then yung package mismo, very eco-friendly. Next, we have Lux Organics. Wala itong alcohol and paraben. Itong zooting. Itong soothing gel ng Lux Organics. So, we also have Quick Effects. And actually, meron silang clean collection. Meron silang isang buong collection ng ganito. So, we have the Nutrient Face Mist. So, this has non-toxic ingredients, cruelty-free, no parabens, no SLS, no GMOs, no fragrance. We have the Diamond Orange Peel and L-Glutathione. Ito yung face and body bar. We also have soaps from Shulamite. Meron tayo ng carrot soap. And meron tayo ng placenta soap. This is very exciting, itong carrot soap, kasi hindi ko pa siya nagagamit ever. Wala pa akong natatry na carrot soap. So, meron daw siyang carrot essence that fights 7 skin problems. Pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, dark acne, marks, oily skin, excessive sweat, mild rashes, and irritations. Next, we have the Eskinol Naturals Glow All-in-One Micellar Water. This has no alcohol, 0% alcohol, and with natural rose extracts. Next, we have my favorite hair care brand. Ito yung Cream Cell. And this is the Rich Organic Power Fusion na variant nila. So, meron tayong dalawa, yung Rich Moisture and Rich Luster. So, the Rich Luster has almond nut balm with organic essence and botanica oils and essences of aloe leaf, cassia leaf, and bamboo leaf. And itong Rich Moisture, meron siyang shea balm with organic essence and flora oils and essences of damascena rose, honeysuckle, and hibiscus. So this variant has no parabens, no sulfates, and no phthalates. Yung hindi ko ma-pronounce kanina, hindi ko pa rin ma-pronounce ngayon, phthalates. So that is it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and sana nabigyan ko kayo ng idea and sana na-encourage ko kayo na gumamit ng clean beauty products. And actually, this is nice na nag-launch yung Watsons ng ganito, yung clean beauty platform nila sa kanilang website because this may open opportunities and pwede mabigyan ng idea yung brands na gumawa sila ng sarili nilang clean beauty collection or better kung mag-switch na sila fully sa clean beauty. And again, you can get your clean beauty products sa Watsons app, Watsons website, or sa Watsons mismo in-store. So you can be hashtag look good, do good, feel great with Watsons Clean Beauty. So that is it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and I will see you on my next one. Bye!